Hi, I'm Matt Gregory from Cementation Skanska. We're down here today at Euston High Speed 2 to see the eBG 33 working. First time it's been working on mains power in the UK.
Hi, my name is Wayne Tomlinson. I've worked for Cementation for around 26 years now, driving various piling rigs, mainly BAUER. The first time for an electric BAUER rig, which is a bit different, but it's got the same kind of power as a diesel. It's a lot quieter, better for the environment. But yeah, I think it's a nice rig to drive.
It's been great working with the BAUER team throughout the project down here at Euston to really rationalise the electric rig working on site. The mains power we've had it on has been carbon neutral, so we've been able to actually reduce our carbon emissions on site along with the lower noise levels, which has really benefited the local residents around here in such a city centre location.